Tonight, Bob, we are gonna do 90-minute ribs on the Searwood. I'm sure they're gonna be terrible. These are gonna suck.
So why are we doing that?
I wanna try it because I want quick ribs. I love ribs every night of the week.
Wings in the air fryer were good, so who knows?
We'll see. We're here to do it so you don't have to.
We'll do it. Cheers. So did you make this up or did you look up a recipe?
I made it up.
Oh,
Basement.
We got our one rack of ribs here that we're gonna do at 375 degrees. We're going to put it on the grill with the Rollbox for 30 minutes only and cold smoke it to get some kind of smoke flavor on there.
Right.
Then we're gonna crank to 375 degrees, unwrapped for about 20-25 minutes.
then wrap.
Then we're gonna wrap it for another about 30 minutes. Then we're gonna unwrap it and we're gonna let it sit for another 15 minutes. Then we're gonna glaze for the last 10 or so.
So if our temp is not where we need it to be, it's gonna be more than 90 minutes.
That's correct.
Okay, we gotta not eat raw
Yeah.
pork.
And we're doing this on the Searwood. We've got 2 racks of control ribs on the Camp Chef that have been going at 225 for the last 4 hours, just so we can see, is this even gonna compete with standard 6-hour low and slow ribs?
So do you have a hypothesis for this experiment?
Yes,
What?
these are gonna suck.
Okay. So why are we doing that?
Don't know, just came to me.
Okay.
And we're gonna do it.
It'd be awesome if they're amazing.
It would be awesome, wouldn't it?
You
Our
don't even need party ribs, 90-minute rack.
90-minute rack, I mean, that would be fantastic,
We gotta
wouldn't
make
it?
t-shirts. My dad had a t-shirt he visited this weekend that said you cannot have too many grills. And it had like Weber grill, like all the grills you could think of on the t-shirt.
Nice.
Impressive. He's got his classic Weber Performer from like when I was like 12. Donnie loved Weber Performer.
Yes, he does. Struggling a little bit here.
No, you're doing fine.
I'm trying to go fast so I can show how professional I am.
Oh
yeah.
yeah. Like
All right.
23 seconds.
I call that success.
24 seconds.
And by the way, the ribs on the Camp Chef, exact same thing. Mustard binder, salt, pepper. I have a feeling those are gonna be way better. We did use the smoke box
It'd be cool if they're not.
because we're using the Rollbox and the Searwood. And we have one more surprise thanks to the folks over at Smokin Pecan.
Oh, what is it?
We'll show you shortly. Mustard on your arm. That's
Do we want pepper on
That's
this?
raw pork mustard on your arm. Here, I'll do this for the sides.
Why don't you just
Go
lift it
ahead.
up?
Go ahead.
All right, that's actually working. Interesting. Like pinball. Strange.
Yes, perfect.
You've done this before.
What are you writing?
Magoo, man.
Magoo?
Yeah.
How dare you call me Magoo?
No, I'm not calling you Magoo. This thing's named Magoo. It's a compliment, you idiot.
And I think Leslie Nielsen made a movie out of it. May he rest in peace.
Yeah.
They tried to remake Naked Gun. It was
I know, I
terrible.
watched it. But is Liam Neeson really his son? No, right?
No.
In the movie it is! It's real to me! And Hulk Hogan's still alive.
All right, that looks
He's
good.
looking good. Let me get this little bend up here. Why does that work? It's so weird. Never done that. I love it. Where else have you used this in your life?
All right, we're gonna let this sit for about, I don't know, 15 minutes while we go get the Rollbox fired up.
All right, let's do it.
Nice shot.
Michael Jordan, not Kobe.
All right, before we get started with the Rollbox and getting that thing lit, let's take a look at the control ribs on the Camp Chef. They look, man, they look beautiful, don't they?
What the?
I mean, these are gonna win, don't you think?
I would think so, but who knows? I mean, good guy. Yeah. Is this the hot front? Which hot?
So I've already swapped them like twice.
You did the work, boy.
I guess we could swap them again just
I
because.
mean, I don't know.
That one's quite a bit smaller.
Good
but
Lord.
we'll do that. Yes, yes, yes. You want it like that?
Yeah, perfect. I mean,
Smoke
those
level
things look
10.
amazing.
It's been on smoke level 10 for a long time. The smoke box is going. Oh, let's get a chunk in there actually.
Have you ever used this bottle opener?
No, I haven't actually.
gotta get a bottle.
I should. Let me go ahead and give you the surprise.
All right.
So Smokin Pecan, folks over there are working on something brand new. It's not even marketed yet.
Okay.
This is a test, a trial run.
All right.
Go ahead and dip your hand in there. Look at that.
Whoa, fatties. I mean, interesting. Interesting. It's like fatty pepperoni or
Super
something.
large
Interesting.
pellets. They are not for your auger, by the way. These are to put in things like the Rollbox or smoke tubes or whatever.
So let's do it.
To add extra smoke flavor to whatever you're cooking. And actually, they're gonna come out with ones that are even fatter than this. So we will let you know when they put these on the market.
They're fatties. So we can't get confused.
Yeah, no, definitely not. So rather than put another chunk in there, let's go ahead and throw these. I mean, now we kind of know these are gonna win. They're already winning. By the way, this is not a Camp Chef versus Weber Searwood cook-off, because these are just control ribs, 5 hours. These are 90-minute ribs, probably gonna lose, but you know, it is what it is. All right, so let's go ahead and get the Rollbox. Bunch of these in there.
So that's the newer Rollbox?
This is the newer one, but it's been used, as you can see,
Looks good.
many times. And then we're gonna go ahead and stick a wood chunk on top of that, too, if I can fit it.
That's nice. Yeah, you can fit that.
You know what I forgot is the torch. Be right back.
So Donnie, if you take 2 of these as a pill, I'll give you $4. 2 for every one you take down. Each.
Make it 3.
Each, son.
By the way, this is the same tank, dude. Still,
So it really is never ending.
still the same tank.
That's insane.
How long's it been now? Like more than a year, right?
Like, yeah, long ass time. Benzomatic. Those are the ones that are always like double the price, but maybe it's worth it.
I was gonna clean the Searwood today, but then it started raining cats and dogs, so no clean. You know what I was thinking? How it was everybody said the flavor on the brisket was better off the Searwood last week. Maybe it's because of all the gunk. Donnie says no.
I mean, the diners don't clean their freaking, they just scrape off their like cooktops. We could scrape that flavor bar. That's looking funky.
I mean, that's where the flavor comes
I
from.
guess so.
Look at all that flavor. Why would you want to scrape flavor away?
Health reasons? I'm not sure.
That's never been a valid reason ever.
Okay. When I worked at Wendy's.
All right, we're going top rack.
All right.
Went top over there, we're going top over here.
All right. Good move, sir.
All right, so we're gonna leave this open for about 10 minutes. Make sure that stays lit down there, and then we're gonna stick the ribs on.
I'm excited.
All right,
I didn't realize this
can't go wrong.
Searwood is so like flavorful. It's a lot of stuff all over the place. This is from last June.
Yeah. There, you happy now?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
You guys know we love our seltzers and we love our teas. We catch a lot of flack for that. People have told us to turn in our barbecue cards and our man cards,
Strange.
which we did a long time ago. Don't care. There's a reason we do this.
Yeah, because we're drinking on a Wednesday night.
Yeah, it's school night, man. We can drink all night. And,
We have school tomorrow.
not be hungover. I will say, Dave Russell in the comments practically begged us to tip some bourbon so that we can maintain our man cards. So tonight we're doing that. So we're going with the Old DC Bourbon Whiskey Commander's brand. Tastes like crap. So we're gonna do
It
it.
tastes bad?
Hold me your glass. Dave Russell, here's to you, buddy.
Cheers, Dave Russell.
It's not terrible.
Not bad at all, actually. Why do we drink this?
Yeah.
Smells like my grandpa's
Cheers.
basement.
All right, time to go. Time to put this on. Let that soak up the smoke for about 30 minutes. Go ahead and set a timer if you don't mind.
Set timer 30 minutes.
All right, 30 minutes with just the smoke. And then we're gonna crank her to 275, 375.
Yes, 375.
And we're gonna pray.
Let's do it.
See you in a bit.
See you next time.
All right, 30 minutes in. Time to do what we do.
These are looking amazing as
First of
hell.
all, let's test out the control
Good
rib.
God.
Not overcooked.
What the hell?
Let's go ahead and throw another chunk in there. Turn the Searwood on. Yeah, we got plenty of smoke rolling out of that roll box. Those giant Smokin pecan pellets.
I mean, just the seasoning looks pretty nice.
It does.
So what?
It's a big dollop of mustard
What?
there on the end.
Yeah, I don't know why I lick it. What is the, what cut is the pepper?
It's the 16 mesh, man. Don't you know?
I haven't bought it yet. I use that grinder thing.
What's interesting is the Costco one's not 16 mesh,
Yeah,
we
that's-
found out.
Bastards.
All right, 275, 375.
Yeah, 375, sir.
Man,
How many minutes? I got
So-
timer and everything on my wall.
20 minutes.
20. Oh God. Oh, I don't have that.
After 20 minutes at 375, we're gonna wrap.
Set timer 20 minutes.
Does that work?
That's my, yeah, that's my, if I don't say
Is that right?
everything cancel.
That's impressive.
Training Alexa the same way.
That's pretty nice, actually. I like that.
Oh God, it's changed.
All right, so we'll see you guys in about 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes.
It's gonna be interesting to see how these look after 375. They might be burnt. Cheers.
Cheers, up.
All right, we're 1 hour in, 30 minutes on just the Rollbox, 30 minutes on the Searwood at 375. We did turn it down because it was looking a little
Meat
white.
side down, meat side down.
Meat side down. Let's go ahead and put this guy in.
Yeah, she's reddening up.
Little bit. I'm not sure about this, Bob.
Don't we normally put meat side down after we put the...
Yeah,
So move it that way and you're gonna put all the stuff, right?
yeah, we gotta put all the stuff for sure.
Oh, I just licked it.
Nice.
Am I gonna get sick?
I don't know, but Buster just had a pat of butter.
So if he throws up, I throw up. Perfect. Sweet baby.
Sweet baby. Some apple juice.
Let's just do double wrap. Oh my God. Yeah, I think we're good here, right?
We are professionals.
I mean, sometimes the foil will rip, sometimes it doesn't. I mean, there ain't no better way to do it.
All right, 375, 20 minutes. I'm not feeling good about
20
this,
minutes.
Bob.
Well, hey, set timer, 20 minutes,
Let's take a look at the non-gross control ribs. I mean,
God.
those are looking
Good
amazing.
God. Wow. I mean, what the? I love me some control ribs.
Hey, at least we got the control ribs,
Correct,
man.
correct.
All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. 1 hour and 10 minutes in. Time to unwrap this guy. I'm a little nervous, Bob.
I think she'd be fine. Look at that.
Think? I just don't want it to be like super white like it was.
Oh, no, it was already reddened up before we put it in there.
True, but you know, when you put it in, see, it whitens up even more.
Okay, okay.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and white.
So when I cook a pork chop,
Smells good,
it's
though.
white.
That's true.
So I don't know what that means.
I don't either. I think I'm gonna flip.
All right.
So we got 10 minutes like this, 375. Then we're gonna
Set
bake.
timer 10 minutes. All right.
It's the aha that made it work.
10 minutes.
Then we're gonna flip back and we're gonna baste.
See what
Not looking
happens.
good, to be honest.
Hey, it might be the best thing we ever tasted. We don't know.
I don't think so.
The sky is opening.
Yeah, it's raining like a mother.
It's better than snow.
We're gonna push through,
Hey,
Bob.
she got red.
Yeah, on that side, let's see. All right.
She looking good.
Not looking too bad, not looking too bad. We're gonna go ahead and baste. Those are definitely gonna win, by the way.
The Searwood is proved us wrong before.
Yeah, but this is different.
I know, but
Good enough for now?
I think so.
All right, close that back up. All right, we'll see you guys in 10 minutes.
Trust the process.
Obviously, you can see which ones are the Camp Chef 6-hour ribs, which ones are the Searwood 90-minute ribs.
So they curved up real good.
Yeah, well, that doesn't mean
Is it good or bad? I don't know. Good
beautiful.
smoke ring there.
Yeah, that looks pretty.
No wrap. So how long did that go?
No wrap, 6 hours. Juicy as hell. This one?
So you're gonna be a little tougher.
Woo! All right.
You can cut them easy.
Yeah, they do cut.
It's a plus. They look juicy. They got a smoke ring.
They do have a smoke ring. Look at that.
I don't know.
I mean, this one's got a better crust, clearly.
Right.
Okay, you gonna go blind? Grab a,
Do you have a blindfold, sir?
grab a glove. He's eating chips over there.
I just cleansed my palate with chips.
You can't look, because if you see
Just
it,
give me a goddamn
if
reel.
you see it, you'll
Close your
know.
eyes. Keep your eyes closed.
Yeah,
Scrumptious.
really good.
Yeah,
Guess?
that's doing it.
There you go. Still good?
Yeah. This is actually very good.
Is it?
Yeah.
But you know which is which?
I feel like this is the Searwood, but
Why?
I would not. I don't know why.
Still
They're
good?
both super bomb.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I'm very surprised. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the other
These
one.
are doing it. Are they different?
Yeah,
This one's a little softer.
yeah, okay. Yeah, but they're both good.
Bomb. There's a small difference, not that much.
That's crazy. I don't believe it.
I know you don't.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna tell the difference.
You don't know what you're doing.
That's true.
You just calm down, sir. It's taking a while here.
I see that.
Trying to get you a good one.
I'm just over here salivating on the counter.
Yeah, that's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. Good things take time. Close your eyes, sir.
Oh, good.
What are you tasting, dude? Flavor, smoke. Dave wants to know what smoke you like.
Definitely smoke. The salt pepper comes through really nice. Barbecue comes through really nice. This is bomb as hell. Don't know what's what, but this better be the Camp Chef, dude.
Shut up. You'll take what we give you. Close your eyes now.
What the hell? This is good as too. This one's smokier. Now I'm hoping this is the Camp Chef.
Don't know, do you?
This one is smokier, dude. I really don't know what's what anymore. Dude, this is bum as hell.
So which one do you like better?
I'm going this one because the smoke flavor
Okay.
is insane. Like this is offset smoke level.
So what about the mouthfeel? You know,
How was the first one mouthfeel?
Maybe give me another one because that one was clearly an end piece. This one right here is the one.
All right.
Okay, you definitely, on this round, you definitely picked the Camp Chef. What did I pick?
Can't do that.
Thank God. But this is damn good,
But
dude.
dude, if you got 2 hours,
90-minute ribs? I'm a little impressed.
It's legit.
To be honest.
like, honey, I'm gonna do ribs. Wait, I do have time.
I think those Smokin Pecan pellets, those gigantic pellets in the Camp Chef smoke box. This is the smoke. These are those right there are the smokiest
they're-
ribs I've made.
They are bomb as hell. I've thought of ribs and like, oh my God, I have no time. I'll do this.
Bottom line, the control ribs were better, smokier, a little bit more tender. 90-minute ribs,
Who knew?
it can be a thing.
And you dreamt this last night like God was speaking to you. And I was like, it's gonna taste like crap, but it tastes bomb.
Thanks for hanging out.
We'll see you next time. So we just did 90-minute ribs.
These are
hold up.
These are way smokier than my party ribs, though.
90-minute reel. All right, turn the game on. Hit me up.
use the new pellets and then do
How about?